To make an appointment, first fill out the patient's information and click Search. Once you have identified the patient in the system, click on the calendar icon on the right side of the screen. A new window will open showing you the existing appointment for this patient. If you wish to make a new appointment, click on the plus sign, select the department and the corresponding physician schedule or agenda, then choose a date. Available dates are colored in the calendar. Click Continue and a confirmation message will appear to confirm the appointment. If you click again on the calendar icon for this patient, you will see that a new appointment date has been saved. If you wish to cancel an appointment, you can easily do so by clicking on the red trash can icon. A patient has an appointment today in the outpatient department. The first thing he will do when he arrives is check in at the counter. The administrator can easily do this by clicking on the patient icon. As you can see, a red $sign will appear on the patient icon linked to an automated bill, which means the patient must check out to pay the consultation fee before seeing the doctor. Once the ticket is paid, the status of the patient will change to confirmed. If patients are excluded from paying the consultation fee for whatever reason, it can be set to 0 in the system. The system also allows for automatic recording of patients who showed up for the appointment and those who did not show up for their appointment, and for automatic statistics on missed appointments. If the doctor is on vacation or has to attend a conference, we can easily block a day in the agenda. To do this, click on Options, select the agenda and block the desired date. A confirmation message will be generated. If, for example, an administrator tries to make an appointment with Dr. Smith on the date that has been blocked, the system will not allow it and an automatic message will be displayed. If Dr. Smith cancels his conference, we can very easily reset the date in the calendar by going to the options, selecting the date and clicking on Make Date Available. Here we will explain how to set up outpatient consultations in your hospital or health center. The system is divided into boxes and agendas. By box or consulting room we mean a physical place where the doctor makes the consultation, and by agendas, the schedule of each doctor. For example, box number 1 has 2 agendas on Monday, Dr. Janet's morning consultation and Dr. Lala's afternoon consultation. To begin the setup, the first step is to go to Outpatients and click on Options. Here we can see that there are already 2 boxes created, one for neurology and the other for dermatology. To create a new box, click on the plus sign, then enter the name of the box and select, if necessary, the department to which it belongs. The second step is to create the agendas of the doctors associated with this box. Here I will show you an example of how to create a new agenda associated with Neurology Box 2. We enter all the details, including the days on which the consultation takes place, as well as the schedule and the doctor in charge or the maximum number of patients that can be seen in a day. Now, as you can see, we can make an appointment in this new agenda that we have just created, following the steps previously explained. The last step is to set the price of the consultations. We do this by clicking on Options and then on Prices. Here we enter the price, for example 5,000, and click on Save. Finally, the Outpatients module also works for hospitals or health centers with walk-in clinics where appointments are not needed. Here it is very useful to manage the boxes and doctors' agendas, as well as to manage the lists of patients.